In this video, we'll be continuing with the C# video tutorials. So in this video, I have a form set up. We're going to just do a string returning function, or method. So we have here first name text box. Then here we have middle name text box, and then this one's last name text box. Then we have a label here, full name label, and then we have a button, show full name button. I've skipped out some labels here, so this should say enter your first name on the left, enter your middle name on the left, and then enter your last name for the last text box. Then you should have a label here that says your full name, which we don't need. It's just going to take too long to do that. Excuse me. So we'll have that set up. We'll try to, again, we could have placed all this using code, but it's going to require a layout, so we're going to need like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different rows, which you have to code it in and then add the layout and all this extra stuff. So we'll be doing that tutorial later on. So now we'll just continue with the code for this event handler. So sorry, for the event handler, for the button, for the text boxes and stuff. So let's just see what we have here as far as code stuff. Excuse me. So let's just go on to the code here. So we'll have not too much here. So we'll have a private string full name method which takes 3 parameters. It's just going to concatenate everything together. So what we'll do is we'll go to the code here. So go to the code here. Underneath, so actually, sorry, not underneath. Yeah, so actually, yeah, underneath the method. Keyboard's not working again. So underneath the method, then we'll have private string full name. And we'll take a string first, comma, string middle, comma, string last. Then we'll say return first plus like an empty, not empty, string literal with a space plus middle plus another space, so it's going to space it out, plus another string literal with a space plus last. That's it. So we'll have a show full name button underscore click. So we'll just go to the constructor here. We'll say show full name button dot click plus equals new event handler. Then we'll say show full name button underscore click. Then we'll go down here. We'll say private void, and we'll call it show full name button underscore click. Takes parameter object sender comma event event args e. Then we'll say here string first, middle, last. Then we'll say first points to first name text box dot text. Middle points to middle name text box dot text. And we'll say last points to last name text box dot text. Then we'll say, sorry, let me just turn the music back on. Music came off here, or stopped. What happened to the music? Okay. So we have here, first points the first name text box, dot text, middle, last, then we have first. So then here we have, so first, middle, last. Then we have, below we'll have full points to full, where's full? First, middle, last, there should be a full here. So first, middle, last, then comma, full. What am I? Okay, so here we'll say full points to full name, passing in first as an argument. First, middle, last. We are really passing a parameter. The reason being is because we could be saying, okay, well, we're passing a parameter here because it takes a parameter, but in this case, C# wants to be very specific about it and say that it's an argument when we have a method call. So full points to full name, passing in first, middle, and last as an argument. Then we'll say full name label dot text points to full. Okay, so that should be pretty much it actually. There's also an exit button which we don't need, so let me just run this to see if it works. Save and run. Form comes up. Okay, so enter your first name. Whatever, can just be blue. Berries. Blue berries. So it concatenates everything together. So what's actually being shown is that in the design window, in this box here you enter a string, in this box enter a string, in this box enter a string, in this box it concatenates them after you click the show button. So pretty much that's it. What actually happened? What do we code here? So we have, this is a method here that returns a string and takes 3 string parameters. So returns a string concatenated with a bunch of strings. I think we had extra space here. That's okay, so it still works. And this event handler, it calls full name somewhere. It points the local string full. So it creates basically an object reference because string's an object, I think, then points it to full name, which returns a string, takes 3 arguments, and sets a text box to the string. So it's nothing too hard. So we did this under 10 minutes, I think. So thanks for watching, guys. If you guys liked the video, you can like and subscribe to the channel to support the channel for more programming and investing tutorials. In the next one, we'll be starting arrays. Hope to see you there. Thanks. Take care.